Hi, everyone. I'm Kimberly Wallbank with Quality System Services. Today, we're talking about design review, what it really is, why it matters, and how to do it in a way that actually adds value. Design reviews are often treated like a meeting you have to survive, but when they're done well, they're one of the most powerful tools you have to catch issues early and to protect both patients and your timeline. At its core, a design review is a formal checkpoint. It's where you pause development to evaluate whether design is meeting requirements, whether risks are understood, and whether it's safe to move forward. This isn't about perfection, it's about visibility and key decision making. A design review is not a quick slide deck where everyone nods and moves on. It's not something engineering does alone, and it's definitely not a formality you backfill later. If nothing changes as a result of your review, you probably didn't really have one. Design reviews save time and money by identifying problems before they're baked into the product. They also create documented evidence that you evaluated the design thoughtfully, which is exactly what inspectors want to see later. And design reviews aren't one and done. They happen at meaningful points throughout development. Anytime you're making a decision that impacts safety, performance, or compliance, that's a good trigger for design review. Design reviews must be cross-functional. Different functions see different risk. Quality looks at compliance, manufacturing looks at feasibility, and engineering focuses on performance. You need all those perspectives in the room. So what gets reviewed? You're reviewing whether design outputs meet the inputs, whether risks are understood and controlled, and whether the assumptions are supported by the data. You're also documenting what decisions were made and why. Documentation doesn't need to be complicated. What matters is that you can show what was reviewed, who participated, what decisions were made, and what follow-up actions were assigned. The biggest mistakes I see are treating reviews as optional or rushing through them. Skipping a design review rarely saves time. It usually just delays the pain until later. During inspections, design reviews help tell the story of your product. They show you just didn't design something. You evaluated it, you challenged it, and you improved it intentionally. Design reviews don't need to be intimidating. When they're practical, focused, and well documented, they become one of your strongest quality tools. Well, that wraps up our look at design reviews. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap that bell so you never miss a video. And if you need help with your design reviews or any other part of design control, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help. See you in the next video.